Communication is critical in team-based games, and the dual microphone array sets the KZ Gale apart. Instead of relying on a single mic that must be positioned near the mouth, the Gale integrates two omnidirectional condenser microphones, front and rear, for clearer and more accurate voice pickup. KZ has a reputation for hi-fi sound tuning, and the Gale earbuds are no exception. They deliver deep bass, heavy sound signatures that heighten immersion during gameplay. Explosions rumble with satisfying impact, while subtle audio cues like enemy footsteps stand out with clarity, giving gamers the tactical awareness needed in competitive matches. Backed by a professional acoustic parameter graph, these earbuds rival and even outperform many hi-fi earphones, costing significantly more, offering a balance of punch, detail, and excitement across genres, whether you're gaming or enjoying music.